Hello everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. Today we're gonna make fluffy and moist and of course very delicious easy-peasy yogurt cake. Just watch my hands and let's go. First off, don't forget preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then all you need to do is just combine all the ingredients in one bowl. Yogurt, because it's yogurt cake, large eggs, melted butter, white sugar, you can use sugar substitute if you want, vanilla extract, you can add any extract you like, orange, chocolate, almond, coconut, orange or lemon zest, a little bit of salt, and finally all-purpose flour, baking powder, and dry cranberries or raisins. By the way, you can soak your raisins or cranberries in orange juice, or you can use some alcohol, brandy, rum, calvados.
Fancy!
Mix it all with a spatula just until all combined. Do not overmix, just until combined. And that's it, you're ready to go. Okay, just a couple of tiny steps. Generously grease the loaf pan with the butter. Pour in the mixture into the loaf pan. Add a bit of sliced almonds on top. And put it in the oven. Bake your cake 45-50 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. Oh my god! Look at this! Let the cake rest for 5 minutes and take it out of the loaf pan. Let the cake cool on a wire rack. But of course you can eat it warm. As I said, so fluffy. And so delicious. You cannot stop just on one piece. It's impossible. You just can't. And I'm pretty sure you need it right away. And of course, I am ready to prove it. You know, I have my own Le Bureau de la Dégustation. You wanna try it?
Of course. Smells so good. So fluffy. And so moist, so good. Thank you. I think everybody needs a piece of that. So good. Do you have more?
The list of ingredients you can find below the video. Thank you for likes and comments, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.